Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to start with a built-in data type that are lists. So lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable, and they are one of the four built-in data types in Python, which are used to store the data. The other are tuple, set, and dictionary, which we'll see in future, and all have different qualities and usage. So let's create a list. uh, First, we'll go to our Python. Python is open. Now we'll declare a list, the list, and we'll just give random input in the list. So this is how we can declare a list, and multiple values are allowed in the list. Next, we are going to first, so there are a lot of operations that are connected with the list. First, we are going to print the length of the list. So here we go, print length, and then we have to give the name of the list. So we can see we have the length of the list is 7. Next, we can also type, uh, we can also type the class type of the list. So we are going to print and then type the list. So as we can see in the output, the class of this is a list, which is a built-in data type in Python. So these are the two functions we are going to built-in functions that we are going to see today. Next session, we'll explore it further. Thank you so much. Do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.